Hello everyone, I'm Tammy. Welcome to QFG Technology. You can see this is the dead-form transformer designed for low-speed 10,000 kVA 10 multi-transformer. This is a 12,470 volts delta primary and a 480 and 277 volts Y secondary transformer. Transformer has 3 phases and 3 wires entering the transformer primary side with 12,470 volts. Between each phase, the secondary side is Y connected with the 4 wires leaving the transformer. It's a step-down transformer with 480 volts between the any 2 phases or 277 volts between any phases and the neutral. In the low voltage rule, we can see that the oil level indicator temperature, indicator vacuum pressure gauge, and the pressure relief valve, or use the HJ brand. If you want to know more information about the transformer, welcome to follow our website. Bye!